Hello students, welcome to my channel Kamal Sidhu. In today's lecture session, we are going to discuss the pricing, its objectives and the factors that influence the pricing process. As we know that the term price is the amount that we pay for a good or a service or an idea. So price is an important element of marketing mix that produces revenue, while the other 4 P's or the other elements of marketing mix produce cost. So we define pricing as a managerial task that involves establishing pricing objectives, identifying the factors that govern the price. It also involves the formulation of pricing policies and strategies, then implementing those strategies and controlling them accordingly to achieve the best result. The pricing decisions are also important and critical one for most of the marketing managers. So we can say that pricing decisions have an important implications for advertising, sales, distribution and sales promotion programs, and pricing as an marketing function has a vital role to play at micro and macro levels of the economy of any country. Next comes the objectives of pricing. The first one is to maximize sales and profits. So this is one of the primary objectives of pricing decisions. Therefore, the pricing policy should be prepared in such a manner that the company generates more sales and earn maximum profits. Second is the price stability. So the prices should not be fluctuated too often. A stable price policy generates confidence in consumers. It will also add to the goodwill and image of the firm. Then is to beat competition. So prices of various products are often fixed, keeping in mind the competitive situation. Sometimes the management likes to fix a comparatively low price in order to get a competitive advantage. Then prices should be fixed accordingly in order to achieve the overall rate of return targets. Then is capturing of the market. So one of the main objectives of pricing decision is to capture a market. A company, especially a big company, at the time of introduction of a new product, fixes a comparatively lower price of its product as compared to the competitors, with the main objective of capturing a large share of the market. Then is the ability of the customer. So pricing decisions are sometimes taken according to the ability of customers. So based on customers' expectations and their ability to pay, the pricing decisions are accordingly taken. The pricing decisions are influenced by many factors. The pricing policies should be consistent with the pricing objectives. The factors that influence the pricing decisions can be divided into internal factors and external factors. So let's first discuss the internal factors. The first one is marketing mix. So marketing experts view prices as only one of the important elements of marketing mix. A shift in any one of the elements has an immediate effect on other three, that is production, promotion and distribution. Then second is the product differentiation. So the price of a product also depends upon the features or the characteristics of the product. In order to attract customers, different features are added to the product, such as size, quality, attractive packaging. So generally the customers pay more prices for a product which is of a new style, fashion or has new features. Third is the cost of a product. The cost and margins are taken into account while deciding the price of any product or a service. Last and important one is the objectives of the firm. A firm may have various objectives and pricing contributes its share in achieving those kind of objectives. So objectives can be like introduction of a new product or a capturing of market share or beating competition. Then another important internal factor that influence the pricing decisions is the product life cycle. So based on the stage in which the product is, the pricing decisions should be taken accordingly. Next comes the external factors that influence the pricing decisions. The first one is demand. The market demand for a product or a service has a big impact on pricing decisions. Since demand is affected by factors like the number of competitors, the size of competition, the prospective buyers, the capacity and willingness of customers to pay, their preference, all these should be taken into account while deciding on the pricing of any kind of product. Then is the market competition. So competitive conditions affect the pricing decisions. Competition is a important factor in price determination. A firm can fix a price equal or we can say lower than the competitors, provided the quality of a product is better than the competition. Then is the suppliers. So suppliers of raw materials and other goods can have a significant effect on the price of a product. For example, the price of raw material goes up, the increase is passed on to the suppliers, passed by the suppliers to the manufacturers. Accordingly, the manufacturers increase the price and pass it on to the consumers. So the suppliers have a direct influence on pricing decisions. Then is the economic conditions. For example, in the recession period, the prices are reduced so as to maintain the level of sales, whereas on the other hand the prices are increased in the boom period so as to cover the increasing cost of production and distribution. The various consumers and the businesses that buy a company's product or service may also have an influence on pricing decisions of a product. Then the government also influences the pricing structure. The prices cannot be fixed higher as government keeps a close watch on prices of certain products. So these are the factors that influence the pricing policies. So in the next lecture session related to pricing, we will discuss the pricing methods and various pricing strategies.